Now we created the bowl around the plant. And why? Because we want to make sure the water doesn't run off and water our grass. This is a great time to clean those hands a little bit too, because we got them a little dirty from all that mud. So we're gonna do a little wash up here, wash some of those nutrients back into the soil, and create some clean hands at the same time here. There. Now we want to water this in really good. You know, I want to come back here every 2 or 3 days and water your blueberry bushes in. It's very important that this blueberry bush gets watered all season long, because the blueberry bushes are fairly finicky about wanting to have moisture around them when they first get planted, so that they can get reestablished real good. You let the water go down, let it soak in, and then you water some more. And please do not forget to water your blueberry bush. Even in the wintertime, on the first year, if you have dry periods where it's dry for more than a week or so, you want to come out here and water your little bush in and make sure she's well watered in.